Grow your own productive food forest now.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in container. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. Shout out to you, my channel members. Thank you so much to my loyal supporters, my new gardening family. Welcome on board and God bless all of you. To all my gardening family that are celebrating Thanksgiving today, I just want to say a happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. May your day be filled with complete joy, perfect peace, and total happiness. Alright, so remember this cabbage I had yesterday? I said I was going to put inside here, so I didn't get a chance. So I'm doing it now. Where is this? Right here, so. So guys, like me, you can grow your own productive food forest. All you need is a little time and patience. Like my friends Latoya and Saraya from Blessings from the Garden would say, just start one container at a time. You have to give it time, so you have to have that patience and believe that you can do it, guys. Don't watch what everyone else is doing or how everyone is progressing. You will get there. Just do it. You got this. So I'm not going to water it in because it's actually raining lightly, but it hold up for a little. The soil is well saturated. The rains is good enough, more than good enough, so I don't need to water it in. So right here I have some horse manure. I'm just going to add a little in the container. In this container I already have food scraps buried, and I also have some horse manure already in there, so I'm just doing a little top dressing right now. Alright, so I have this tomato cage. I want to put it right here because right now my tomato is getting support from this eggplant right here. And even though the eggplant is thriving, getting big and looking so lush and nice, it's a strong possibility that the tomato is going to grow past it. I am not sure though, because this is a local tomato and usually they don't grow very tall in my experience. It's actually around here racing on my eggplant, so I just, if you look, it's when I remove it, that's where it is now. So I just need to have it caged up. For this now, let me try if all three of them can hold inside here. If not, I will just, let me see. No, that is going to be too close right there. Alright, so let me try it this way, like so, and this one right here like so. The rain is coming down, and let me pull this one out like that. Put this right here. Alright, let me see it go. But then this could work this way, so I could have the tomato in the cage like this. Alright, so it looks like it can work this way. When it gets taller, it will just come up. I'll put this one down here instead, like this. Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna let this one work in. I wonder if this can go down more. Oh, a lot of root in the mulberry container. But let me try this. Oh, this is so tight. Alright. That looks like it can work. I'm just improvising, seeing that it is too big for this container. So this can actually work. Oh, it's on top. Alright. The rain is coming down, so I have to quickly get out of here. So this is a tomato right here. I think I'm going to put on another set of these somewhere right here and brace it back. Maybe on the mulberry tree right there, because it is kind of leaning forward, and I want it to go backward. Anywho, I have to get out of the rain, so I'll come back and I'll fix this. Alright, so while I was inside, I thought about it and I said, let me put this one right here. It's going to be a little taller, but it doesn't matter. Let me just put it right here like that. And then now I can bring these up a little. Move this one from here, put it here. The rain coming back down again, and then now I can put these right here. Just when I thought it stopped, it come back down. So yeah, this is it. So what I'll do, I'll just get a string and just have it brace on here so that it don't come out in the walkway like this. So when my tomato come up, can come like this, and stay right here. Get me? Alright. Going inside. So I'm back with the string just to have it bracing put it here. Alright, so come out of harm's way. It's no longer in the way. So my tomato can do its thing and come up as much as it wants to. Oh, look at our baby over there. Around here, the pepper tree that I told you that I would prune back, this one, I'm about to do that right now. And now is the right time, seeing that no blooms are on it. Could do with the blooms, but you know, we as gardeners, we prefer not to do away with our stuff, only if necessary. Alright, so this belongs over here. I see a lot of white flies on this, you know. This one is a part of this. I need to get me some garlic water and spray that baby. But anywho, let's focus. This one was ready to come off. It just broke off, so. And I'm pruning it back heavily. Heavy, heavy, heavy. These are some new growth, so I'm going to leave these. Oh, this one came off. Anywho, let me just take this off. Alright, so that is where it is now. Just as the updates on my carrots. I crushed some manure in them now. So they are, yeah, 3 days old. Guys, I have been skipping over these, you know. I should have updated you. My strawberries, they are not doing well. They are not doing well. These are actually coming up back from the main plant. Like this. This is what has been happening. So I just remove them and let what is coming come, so it can focus on the fresh shoots that are coming. Yeah, so this has been happening, and every time I say I need to update you on my strawberries, I forgot. But guess what, I should be getting some again soon. So you'll see me with those. I don't give up so easily, guys. If you've been following me, you would know that. Thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.